We're going to pivot back to crypto, though, now, following the first part of that story, and joined now by the CEO of Radical, Ryan Sheftel, which is a new crypto trading fund. It's backed by Steve Cohen. And Ryan, thanks so much for joining us. Great to have you with us. I mean, what exactly is different about what you're planning to do? This is a hedge fund, essentially, that will just trade in crypto assets, both long and short.
First, thank you very much for having me on. So Radical is the cryptocurrency and digital asset trading arm of GTS. So Radical will be bringing the same core competencies that GTS has to the traditional markets like equities, of bringing technology and quantitative techniques to making the markets more liquid and more efficient. And we're going to bring that over to the cryptocurrency and digital asset markets.
So you don't have to be net long, ultimately, of crypto and the crypto space?
No. Radical, really, we view our role in the ecosystem is to be bringing liquidity into the markets, servicing the needs of the market overall, creating a place for greater investor confidence to participate in the markets by, again, doing like we've done in the other markets of bringing technology and different quant techniques to making the markets more efficient.
So how did you get Steve Cohen? Is he interested in the Bitcoin aspect of this, or just the volatility?
Yeah, I mean, I'll let Steve speak for himself on the specific reasons for his involvement. We're just, we're very excited to have him as an outside investor. As I mentioned, we're very, very excited for that. Obviously, we're focused on, really the day-to-day management. We have a great core management team in place to guide Radical forward in the future. We know he's, been very public about having a lot of different interests in the cryptocurrency world, and we hope to really deliver on our aspect of it.
What do you think the biggest threat to crypto is at the moment?
Threat's a great question. I mean, I think that there's a tremendous amount of opportunity out there, a tremendous amount of innovation going on in the market. We see some of the smartest, brightest people that are going on in finance right now are actively involved in the crypto market. So there's certainly threats out there, like there always are. But I think the key will be navigating those and constantly searching for the next opportunities and the next innovations.
It's great to have someone on that's not necessarily arguing to be long all of the individual cryptocurrencies and may well be short some of them. Do you think the environmental concerns around Bitcoin itself are real?
I'll leave that to the experts. There certainly are people, better positioned to comment on that. I think our responsibility is to be, do what we really do well, which is, bringing the technology, the quantitative techniques, creating, liquid and efficient markets for participants so they can have confidence when they do want to engage in the markets.
So you don't have any views on which of the individual cryptocurrencies are more likely to succeed in the long term?
There's probably going to be several. There's going to be probably many that we haven't even heard of today. And I think that the key is the growth of the ecosystem overall, the innovation that's happening in it. That's really where our focus is.